Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. I am in our Eagles Crest community in Pageland, South Carolina. I'm standing in front of a Canterbury floor plan. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath floor plan with 1,140 square feet. Let's go on inside and take a look. Hey, thanks for watching this tour of the Canterbury. If you have any questions about this particular floor plan or any others, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on a future video. Take care.